టీఆర్ఎస్ ఎంపీ కవిత పోలవరం ప్రాజెక్టుపై పార్లమెంట్లో నిరసన గలమెత్తారు. ఎంపీగా ఎన్నికైన తర్వాత పార్లమెంట్లో మొదటిసారిగా పోలవరంపై మాట్లాడిన కవిత ప్రాజెక్టు వల్ల ఆదివాసీలకు జరుగుతున్న అన్యాయాన్ని, తెలంగాణకు జరిగే నష్టాన్ని సూటిగా స్పష్టంగా సభ దృష్టికి తీసుకొచ్చారు. ప్రాజెక్టుకు తాము వ్యతిరేకం కాదని, కానీ డిజైన్ మార్చాలన్నారు. పార్లమెంట్లో చర్చ జరగకుండా తెలంగాణ గ్రామాలను ఆంధ్రలో విలీనం చేస్తూ ఆర్డినెన్స్ తీసుకురావడం సమంజసం కాదని స్పష్టం చేశారు.
I'd like to quote Malvankar ji on this, sir. In a letter on the 17 July 1954 to the Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru, Malvankar stated, "The issue of an ordinance is undemocratic and cannot be justified except in cases of extreme urgency or emergency." Sir, there was no urgency, sir, neither any emergency. This particular Polavaram project has been pending for past 60 years, sir. Past 60 years, number of times tenders were called for, sir. Number of times tribals have protested against it and it was cancelled, sir. But then since there was no emergency, what was the necessity of bringing the ordinance, sir? And it is very unfortunate, sir, the very first cabinet meeting of the NDA government passes this ordinance, sir. This has definitely not gone well with the people of Telangana, because the very first cabinet, now the NDA has a full majority, sir. Now the NDA has a full majority.
Please,
if need be, sir, if need be, alteration of the boundaries or giving away these mandals can be put in the Lok Sabha for discussion, sir.
Speech. Please sit down.
My dear Andhra Pradesh,
you have a
one second. 139, sir, through you, sir, I would like to tell them, sir, 139 villages of Telangana state have been given away to Andhra Pradesh, sir, in the act, sir. That is there. They are all submerging. But, sir, 7 mandals, sir, which are not in the submerging area, sir, they are all being again transferred with an ordinance, sir. What was there in the act? Those 139 villages, that is a different issue, sir. 7 mandals which are not under submergence, sir, they are now being transferred with an ordinance, sir. So our sincere request to the House is, 1st March Telangana state has been formulated, sir. Now altering the boundaries, I believe, sir, it should be discussed in the parliament. Enough time should be given and hear out everybody, sir. Through the government, I would request the Prime Minister, sir, Honorable Prime Minister, sir, to call for a meeting with the 4 states chief ministers, sir. This is not an issue between Andhra and Telangana, sir. Kindly understand, this is an issue of Adivasis, sir. And I would like to quote our President's state, sir, in the yesterday's his address.
Madam, now please conclude.
Yes, sir. 1 second. Give me 1 minute. He says we are going to introduce a One Bandhu Kalyan Yojana, sir. सर इतना ही बोलना है सर, आदिवासी अगर जीवित रहेंगे तो उनका कल्याण होगा सर. यहाँ तो वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट सबमर्जिंग मोर देन 2 लाख आदिवासी सर, नॉट इन 1 स्टेट बट इन 4 स्टेट्स, ओडिशा, छत्तीसगढ़, आंध्र प्रदेश, तेलंगाना. And sir, it is not only Telangana's problem, sir. Orissa has gone to Supreme Court, Chhattisgarh has gone to Supreme Court, sir. Telangana has gone to Supreme Court, sir. Polavaram project, we are not against the Polavaram project, sir. We want our Andhra Pradesh to get water, sir. Only problem is about the design, sir. There are alternatives available. None of the alternatives have ever been explored, sir. And also the tribals, sir, these are the primitive tribals, and according to Schedule 5, President is supposed to be the custodian, sir. If he himself gives an ordinance like this, I don't know, sir, who will save them. So kindly we request through you, sir, to the Honorable Government and the Prime Minister to withdraw this ordinance, sir. And only one last issue I wanted to share, sir. Out of these seven mandals which are being given to the Andhra Pradesh state, sir, there is a power generating station which generates 460 megawatts of power, sir, throughout the year. It is a lower sea level project, sir. This originally belongs to Telangana, sir. As a part of it is not even a part of submergence, sir. Now it is given back to Andhra Pradesh, sir. Another issue, sir, there is a very famous temple, sir, Bhadrachalam Sri Ram temple, and there will be no way left for the Telangana people to visit the temple, sir. It is an age-old temple. So kindly, these 7 mandals can be with the Telangana, sir. And whatever Polavaram project had to be done, it is already given a national project status, sir. So we kindly request the central government to take up the R&R responsibility, and 7 mandals being kept as it is in Telangana, R&R responsibility taken over by the central government, sir. It can happen.